whether you have $2 million in your portfolio or you're just learning how to day trade. The SPY day trading community and the Discord community that Eric is a teacher, mentor in, he's going to be dropping his first module of courses that he's going to be setting up on a weekly basis. Eric has had this Discord community for the past 3 years. And when I tell you he is a master day trader, anybody who knows me knows that whatever I do, I always search for the best person to learn from. And I grab on and I hold on to their coattails and I learn as much as possible. The course is going to be $200 a month. It's free if you're a member of the Discord community. So you could sign up before tomorrow to the Discord community. You'll have the course for free. If you sign up after, you're going to have to pay $200 a month for the course. This is high-level teaching from a Wall Street market wizard. This is not an influencer. Eric is not an influencer. He's not a YouTuber. Here's his little bit of a resume. He graduated majoring in finance, math, and economics. He joined a bank as a junior analyst about 20 years ago, learned his ropes. He was given a $100,000 fund to manage, of which he grew to mid 8 figures in 6 years. He was tasked with teaching the junior traders, of which that's when he found his passion for teaching. He left his job after the grueling traveling schedule. He was managing venture capital and private equity portfolios. When I tell you that Eric is a Wall Street market wizard, he is the best of the best on Wall Street, and we have the privilege of learning from him. Nobody on YouTube, no influencer can match the skills, the experience that Eric has. He has a plan, roadmap to 7 figures, where if you know nothing about trading, you'll be able to learn step by step. If you already have skills, if you already know about options trading, he's going to teach you how to accelerate and elevate your skill, learning how to sell options, credit spreads, debit spreads, buying puts, selling puts. Friday will be the last day that you could join for free of the course. All you got to do is join the Discord community that he has. And what do you get? Every day in his Discord community, you get daily prep. He preps us daily for the market